Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself. Ma'am.
Very good morning, first of all. I'm Dr. Vaishali Kothia. I'm working in Sri L.R. Tiwari Degree College as Dean for Research and Development and NAC Coordinator. And I have been in this field for past 18 years, and in this journey, I have worked as assistant professor. I have worked as coordinator for different departments. I have worked as examination controller. I have worked as IQAC coordinator. I have headed various committees. So I can say that right from scratch, I have reached at this position, and I am hoping to contribute fruitfully, in this field.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, ma'am? And how has been your experience so far with this college?
Okay, I had no choice, in deciding my field. I had given two choices by my father, and that is the truth, that either you be chartered accountant or you be a teacher. And when I started my journey, it was very easy for a female to become a teacher. So that is how I started my journey in this field. But then, after I started my career in this field, uh, somehow, I got connected with the students, and being with young minds. That is something, which motivates me to be in this field.
Great, ma'am. And by being the dean at LR Tiwari College, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
Initially, when I joined as Dean of Research and Development, and now I'm heading the position of NAC coordinator as well. In this, I generally, have to not only students but faculties also. I need to keep them motivated to indulge themselves into research activities. When we talk about students, there are four parts in research and development, that is research, innovation, incubation, and IPR. So these are four separate departments which is coming under one umbrella, that is research and development. In all the areas, I need to make sure that students as well as faculties are doing one or the other things. So, if we talk about innovation, here the things of innovative ideas which we need to motivate students to come up with. Once they come up with innovative ideas, we need to make sure that their ideas are getting converted into startups. So there the role of incubation comes into picture. And in this process, again, I have to make sure that if their ideas are different, in that case, it is getting registered as patent. So this is something which I have to do, and at the same time, related to NAC also, accreditation process is going on. So there also some responsibilities are there.
How does the curriculum of LR Tiwari ensure that the students are practicing best of industry?
See, as far as curriculum is concerned, we don't have direct role to play, because we are affiliating to Mumbai University, and we have to follow the curriculum of University of Mumbai. But as far as enhancing their skills are concerned, we are collaborating with various universities, we are collaborating with industries, wherein not only skill courses we are offering, but at the same time we make sure that industry is absorbing same students after their skills getting developed. So in that area we are working.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
What I have observed in this past years of my journey, that students are not really taking their careers very seriously at the age of say from 17 to 21. and I feel that that is the right period where you can decide your career. And in when I was graduating, I know that the opportunities which I was seeking, I was not getting. But this is the period where students are getting the opportunities which they need. And especially after implementation of NEP, I would say that a lot of scope and opportunity students will have if they decide their career, or what they want to do at the beginning of their adulthood. So I would request students that start taking your future seriously right at the right time, at the right age, and future will be yours.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing in Thoughts on Education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.